Hello everyone and welcome back to Planet Chloe. I'm Chloe and I'm here to give you some environmentally friendly tips and help you to have a better lifestyle. And today, during this meat-free Lent, I am going to do a box opening of a subscription box that I've chosen to get for the very first time to see what's inside that's available for the vegan diet. There are plenty of vegan subscription boxes out there, but after a little bit of research, it seems that the best value one perhaps is the Lifebox subscription box. So let's have a look inside and see what we have. So there's certainly quite a lot there. I think it's pretty good value. I think I paid about £22 for the monthly subscription, which you can cancel at any time. So if you just want to buy the one box and if you don't like it, then you don't have to continue with your subscription anymore. I'm probably going to do this at least twice whilst we're having Lent so that I have some different vegan options. Obviously, a lot of the stuff isn't plastic free. I was unable to find a subscription box that was plastic free and vegan, but if you know of one, then please put it in the comments below and I will investigate that as well. However, everything here is vegan and it's all supposed to be pretty ethically sourced. So just to go through it again, they've provided a recipe book. I have Manny Life peanut butter, chickpea puff snacks called Hippies. These are made from plant protein and are gluten-free, vegan and have nothing artificial and are 91 calories per serving. Sounds all right. It's a good alternative for me. And they're also palm oil free. Garlic and herb tahini dressing, which sounds quite exciting. I like a bit of dressing and I love garlic, so we'll try that. Native sweet chili popped lotus seeds. I didn't know that existed, so definitely something I could try. Gut Stuff Good Vibrations raspberry and coconut bar. So that's a nice little snack bar, which I'll give a go. It feels quite tough, so I'm going to try that in a minute and see what it's actually like. That's also gluten-free and high fibre. All of these things from Lifebox are supposed to have been selected by nutritionists and are all supposed to be really good, nutritious, whole food items that are best possible health for you. Similar to if you were buying from a retailer like Holland & Barrett, it's a selection box of items that are from that realm of food. Plant-based bar, veg bar, smoky bacon flavour, a chocolate orange, Livia's Million Squares, TikTok bedtime herbal tea, which is flavoured chamomile, lemon bar, lavender and rooibos. Maui, I think. Taste of the Amazon, vitamin energy, and it's flavoured sparkling guarana, pear and apple. 100% natural instant porridge from the Great British Porridge Company, which is a company I've heard of, and this says instant, no added sugar, high in fibre, gluten-free and dairy-free. This is a different one. Brave, and it's roasted peas covered in chocolate and salted caramel. That should definitely be interesting. According to the packet, it's one of the most sustainable sources of protein. It's plastic-free, long-lasting flavour, peppermint gum. Sugar-free and biodegradable. So that's quite good because actually Many of you might not know that regular chewing gum actually has plastic inside it. Pretty gross. This doesn't. And the last two items here are actually non-food items because according to their website, Lifebox also place at least 1 or 2 items in each subscription box which are non-food. So I've got here some rose oil and also hair, skin and nails daily oral spray by Better You. So, and they're both vegan approved. So I'm going to give one of these things a go. Let's see. I think we're going to try roasted peas covered in chocolate and salted caramel. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it smells nice. The test. Very crunchy and I think the chocolate's quite dark, which I'm a milk chocolate girl, but overall not bad. Can't tell it's a pea. Gonna try the plant-based bar veg raspberry flavour. Ooh. So that is super pink. You can just tell how raw like those raspberries are in there, and they haven't been just fully processed. They're a bit more wholemeal, which is really good for you. So, that's nice. They're quite stiff. Bit of raspberry flavour is really strong. You do feel like you're getting a good dollop of fruit and fibre, so you can tell it's healthy but in a good way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to finish my veg bar, and perhaps you should try a vegan subscription box. It's a little bit of fun if you can afford to do it, and why not try something different? It forces you to try something out of your comfort zone. I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.